Hello guys, ayan yung aming prutas. Ayan, 2 kinds of cherry guys, pink tsaka black. Black ba yan? Ayan, ito jujube from China. And then ito naman yung lychees. Ayan, yung lychees hindi siya magaspang. Smooth. Ayan. Next naman natin anuhin is yung ito, blueberry and red berries. Ayan. So, punasan natin guys. Pupunasan natin yan. Pero hindi ko imimix dyan. Saan ko ilalagay ito sa tingin? Guys, thanks for watching.